In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Jockie Music Bot into Discord. So it's actually quite simple. The first thing you want to do is go to Google and type in Jockie Music, and then the first website is jockeymusic.com. You want to click on it. And then over here, as you can see, on the very first website that opens up, it says Jockie Music 1 in 4 Discord bot. So you actually have 4 different versions of it, and you can invite all of them into your Discord server. So we're gonna just go with this one right now. You can go with whichever one you want. Click on it, and then it will redirect you over here. It says Discord app launched. You want to click continue to Discord, and make sure you have Discord open in the background. This will help. And then what you want to do is, of course, select your server. So for me, I have Instant How To Tutorial is my server over here, and then you want to press continue. Now you can, of course, give it administrator because it will work better if you do that. And then you want to press authorize, and you want to check that you are human, of course, over here by pressing I am human. And then once that's done, it's gonna load for a few seconds. There we go. I got a notification, and as you can see right now, this pro out of mine just essentially welcomed this Jockie Music to the server. And if I go to extra over here, as you can see, Jockie Music is in here. It already gives you the instructions, all the basic steps you need, and of course it gives you a support server and their website link, so you can go check out if you have any further questions. So yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can see, that's how you add the Jockie Music bot into Discord. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.